I wasted my time creating a free Vidboard AI version 3 account, so that you don't have to. So why is it so bad, you ask? Version 3 free account is a massive letdown compared to their version 2 free account. In version 3, you can hardly accomplish anything due to the locked features, and you can't even preview or export your video. If you're prepared to watch me waste my time, then by all means, continue watching. However, if you'd prefer not to, then I suggest checking out my video review of the new Vidboard AI version 3 Pro here. Okay, I've been playing around with the software before recording this video, but for this demo, we're going to start from scratch. Let's create a new video. Skip that. We got our avatar. I don't know about you, but the avatar looks sharp, realistic and generally good to me. Go look at the other avatars, see if we can add another. Seems to have gone slow and it has bugged out. There's a mix of 86 avatars for both men and women, including one random monkey. My avatar and pro avatars are both locked. The script pop up again, just ignore it and click submit. Well, that seems to have crashed on me. I'm going to close and reopen the app. Okay, so I opened the app again, and here is the new female avatar. It looks like a good image to me, although we seem to be experiencing some weird bugs. Let's write our script. Hello and welcome to NightBiz. Review of Vidboard AI version 3, free version software and tutorial. Since I last used the free trial, they've added a character counter in the bottom right corner, which is handy considering the free account only allows 150 characters. Before, I had to type in a Word doc and then import the text. I do not recommend the free trial due to its limitations. Oh, and yeah, we just hit the character limit. Let's skip that part. Hit Generate Voice. Actually, let's choose a new voice. One thing I don't like is that we can't preview voices before generating a script. This really slows down the workflow.
Review of Vidboard AI version 3 free version software and tutorial. I do not recommend the trial as you are too limited on what you can do.
Well, that doesn't sound too bad to me. As I was saying, I can't preview any of the voices. I have to just pick one and then hope it sounds okay when I generate a voice. This just slows things down. Pick this one, hit generate, and give it a listen.
Vidboard AI version 3 free version software and tutorial. I do not recommend the trial as you are too limited on what you can do.
That didn't sound too bad either. Try another.
Review of Vidboard AI version 3 free version.
Okay, that one didn't sound good at all. Very robotic. At least it is quite fast at generating a script. Didn't work. Okay, we'll try one more.
Review of Vidboard AI version 3 free version software.
Not great either. Try another. Try Jennyham.
Review of Vidboard AI version 3 free version software and tutorial. I do not recommend the trial as you are too limited on.
That was a bit meh, wasn't it?
Review of Vidboard AI version 3.
Okay, that sounds as good as it'll get. Let's use it. We'll add a new slide. Let's change the avatar. We'll go for a male one this time. We seem to have another bug. The woman is stuck. Anyway, the male avatar looks okay to me. Let's give him a script. Like I said, I don't think it's worth trying the free trial, but there are some updates, such as the character counter in the bottom right corner for this text box. So, let's change the voice. We'll try Benjamin and generate. And it's not working. How about Jason?
Like I said, I don't think it is worth trying the free trial, and there are some updates such as bottom right char actor counter.
Nope. Okay, let's try Guy.
Like I said, I don't think it is worth trying the free trial, and there are some updates such as bottom right char actor counter.
Yeah, the voices aren't that good, are they? Let's try another variation of English. Go for Ireland, and we only have 2 choices.
Like I said, I don't think it is worth trying the free trial.
Not great. I do wish we could preview before having to generate. No voice again. Great. Can we search? No, we have to manually scroll down to find a country. How annoying. Let's select England.
Like I said, I don't think it is worth trying the free trial.
Whoa, that was bad.
Like I said, I don't think it is worth.
Not good either. Let's try Ethan.
Like I said, I don't think it is worth trying the free trial, and there are some updates such as bottom.
Yeah, these are terrible. That was very robotic. How about Ryan?
Like I said, I don't think it is worth trying the free trial, and there are some updates.
Okay, that sounds good enough for this demo. Let's choose this voice and move on. Can we add anything else, like a transition? Yes, we can. But we can't preview it. No. Okay. Whatever. Let's move on. Media tab, background tab. We have Pexels and Pixabay, background images. Of course, you can add your images in the Pro version. As you can see, we have lots of images, and they are all loading in fast. So, that means Vidboard has strong third-party integration. I quite like this nice sunset image. Very smooth controls. Let's give the avatar a circular background. Go to Assets. We've got shapes, lots of shapes. We're looking for a circular design. Let's try this shade circle design. Okay, so it's not working. Now it's disappeared. Fine. Let's just add a normal circle then. We'll just enlarge it and move the circle over the avatar. There are no canvas controls for layers or anything, but we do have some controls. You have to right-click your mouse to bring up asset controls. From there, we can move the circle backwards. Yeah, this is why we need layers. I'm having to move the avatar to get to the circle. I was hoping to change the circle color, but it looks like I can't. Oh, wait, I just had to scroll down. Color settings. Yeah, I don't like this color picker dialog box. It's very dated and not user-friendly. It doesn't seem to be working either. Let's try adding color to custom colors again. Nope, not going to work. I guess we'll leave the background circle gray then. So, still lots of bugs with the software. I would probably change the avatar to a circular style, but I don't think we can change it once we add the avatar. Let's move on. Let's add text. Very basic options, no real styles to choose from. Add the title, and resize it. Night Biz Review Slide 1. We'll scale it out. Right-click to get to font controls. Again, we get the ugly color picker box. At least the color changing works this time. But it's not easy to get the desired colors. Change the font weight, the font family. We can animate it, and add an animation, but there's no indicator that we added it. No preview option either. Look at the Media tab. Yep, same media as the Background Media tab. I feel like background and media should be in one folder, and the only difference is background adds content to the background whereas media adds images to the canvas. Let's demo that quickly. Yeah, added an image. And, right-clicking, we get no additional image settings. You see, this is how the avatar should work. We should be able to preview the sounds before adding them to the canvas, you know, like every other TTS software out there. Ah, of course. If you misclick the music box, you accidentally add the music to the canvas. So, the preview button and add music button need more space to avoid these misclicks. Go back to assets. We do have an icon collection, though it's a little limited. Let's add a snowflake. Right-click it. Try changing the color. Green? No. Go for yellow. Reduce the opacity. Assets. Arrows. So, just like in my Vidboard 2 review, arrows are not loading correctly. They are there, but you just can't really see them. So, another bug. We'll randomly select one and add it to the canvas. Right-click. We can go to Asset Settings. Color. Again, the colors are not working. However, the opacity does work. Very buggy. Yeah, I'm not really that impressed with the overall canvas experience. It's certainly not Canva, and there are loads of bugs. I want a layer panel, and easier access to controls. I don't want to be right-clicking all the time. Quickly look at lines. The previews are a little small to view, but we do have a nice collection. Let's add this one. In fact, for laughs and giggles, let's add a moustache. Obviously, that'd cover up the lip sync, so we'll move it away. Quickly change the color. Yes, we can actually change the colors. We have infographics. Again, these are nice, but it'd be better if we could animate the graphics. For example, this progress bar. It would be cool if we could animate it to follow the video length. But we can't. Finally, let's check out the videos. We have Pixabay Video. Looks like we can upload videos in the Pro version. Pretty decent collection. Let's add this bird's video background. So, adding a video background does replace the image background. Anyway, let's try and render the video. Click on the Generate Video tab. We'll watch it in real time. Last time I tried this, I couldn't render a video in the free version. Let's see if it works this time. Okay, that was fast. But here we are again with the emails. I just want the video to appear here in my dashboard. I don't want to keep having to check my emails, and I don't want my inbox getting clogged up with notifications. There is a video. But that is not how we view it, just the dev video. We can remove, like and duplicate the video. Looks like we have another bug with the video duplicates. Right, I'm going to go check my emails for an update. Okay, so here is the email. A lot of blah blah going on here, and I don't really care for any of this. But the point of this email is they are working on rendering my video. That's it. So, why can't they just say this inside the dashboard? Well, we are waiting on another email to inform me when the video is done. Right, so less than 2 minutes later, I got another email. As before, we get a lot of gibberish to read through, and none of which I care for. But finally, right here, we get our video link. Let's give it a watch.
Review of Vidboard AI version 3 free version software and tutorial. I do not recommend the trial as you are too limited on what you can do.
Like I said, I don't think it is worth trying the free trial, and there are some updates such as bottom right character counter.
Well, for starters, I was actually able to see a final video this time. Last time, all I could do was edit a video and not actually preview it. The woman avatar seemed okay, but the male one was very poor in quality. Right, let's watch it again. Without sound. Yeah, there is some pixelization around the avatar. But the face and lip sync seem okay, though it could be better. The mail, well, poor all round really, and a real letdown. So yeah, I'm not that impressed now with the software, and I have little hopes the Pro version will be much better. I'm thinking a refund will likely be in the works. By the way, the video was hosted on their server, so you can't download anything in the free account, which is fine I guess. Well, I'm a little reluctant now, but I guess I'll have to follow through and dive into the Pro version for you all. Well, thanks for watching, and please go check out my Pro version review of Vidboard AI version 3.